Hi guys, this is Gail with Gail's Southern Living. Welcome to my Healthy Goals Wednesday video. So today I'm doing meal prep. I have some chicken thighs and some sugar-free marinade, bell pepper, and some red onion. So what I'm doing is I found containers with lids. And this pizza container just happened to find a lid. I have lids for all of these containers except for this one. But this one I'm going to eat at lunch. So I'm just going to leave it in the refrigerator. So what I'm doing is I cut up one whole bell pepper and one whole red onion. I cut one chicken thigh and then I put the marinade on top of it. And this brand by G. Hughes is sugar-free. And I love this sesame teriyaki marinade. It is delicious. G. Hughes has a lot of different products. Barbecue sauce, stir-fry marinade. Several different products that are really good. Sugar-free ketchup. All the things. So this is what I'm doing. So I have the bell pepper and onions and all of these. I will add the chicken and it will look like this. So the bell pepper and onion are on the bottom, chicken on the top. I pour in the marinade. I put these all in the freezer. Then when I wake up the morning of that day, I will put this in on the counter to thaw, and at lunchtime I will get out an almond flour tortilla, heat it up a little bit, cook this up in a pan with some olive oil, and maybe add some cheese or lettuce or tomato or sour cream if I have it. And I will have chicken fajitas for lunch. So this is my meal prep. And I just thought I would share this with you guys. So this is 7 days worth if you include today. I'm going to have, 6 days worth if you include today. I'm going to have one leftover piece of chicken. I'm going to go ahead and cut that up to put on our chicken Caesar salad tonight. So that is what we are having for tonight, is chicken Caesar salad. And so I'm going to go ahead and cut up a piece for that. So I'm basically using all the chicken thighs up, and I cut them into small bite-sized pieces that will fit perfectly on a tortilla. Really good lunch, really filling, and I basically eat that. And that's usually all I eat. If I do pair it with anything, it would be like a pickle, carrots, maybe some cherry tomatoes, or some cottage cheese. You guys have a great day. Be blessed. Do something kind, guys. Bye, everybody.